If you like Halloween crochet, you're going to love these 10 free ghost crochet patterns that I have for you today. Let's check it out. Now, all of these patterns can be found on Ravelry.com, and you should be able to find them easily by going to the search bar on Ravelry and typing in the name of the pattern and the designer's name. So the first pattern that I have to show you today is called Ghost by Amy Gaines, Gaines. This is a cute little ghost made with some blanket yarn. Look at his cute little smirk. And this is a free Ravelry download. And this is using worsted weight yarn and a 4mm hook. Now look at this little country ghost. It's called Country Ghost Halloween Amigurumi by Stringy Ding Ding. He has a little smile and a little heart on his chest. And this pattern is available for free on her blog if you just click the link at the bottom of the listing right here. And here is your free pattern. Now this one is called Halloween Ghost by Amigurumi Today. And this is using DK weight and a 2mm hook. And how cute is he just sitting on the little shelf right there with his bow tie and top hat? Really cute. And here is like an example of what it looks like while you're making him. Look at the little face. This can be found for free if you click the link at the bottom of the listing. And here is your Amigurumi Ghost pattern right here. Now we have the Halloween Ghost by Susan Burkhart. And this is a free Ravelry download, so you could just print out the PDF and there you go. Or you could just open it up on your computer or your phone. And he's got the little arms. How cute. And this is using worsted weight and a 3.75mm hook. And like I said, that's a free Ravelry download. And then we have this Amigurumi Ghost Phantasma Halloween by Tartarumis. And this is using a 2.5mm hook. And here's some little cheeks and the little eyes. That reminds me of Casper the Friendly Ghost. And this is available for free on their blog. And you just click the link right here at the very bottom of the page to get the free pattern. And then next we have Friendly Halloween Ghost by Maggie Haskell. This is for free on her blog, but let's go ahead and take a look at this with a little witch hat and a little smile. This looks really simple and quick to make. What a great gift it would be, or a great decoration. And this is using worsted weight yarn, a 3.5mm hook. So you only need 86 to 90 yards to make this little guy. And it says for free in info and notes. So that means you just scroll down here all the way to the bottom, and then you click the link right here, and that opens up your pattern. And there you go. Next, we have Ghost Amigurumi by Spin a Yarn Crochet. And this is free on their blog. This is using a thicker yarn. And this is using Bernat Velvet Super Bulky Weight and a 3.5mm hook. And it says available for free. And we'll click the link at the very bottom, and there is your free pattern. Now we have here the Amigurumi Ghost by Rachel Meisner. And this is for free on her blog. Look at the little bow on the head, or you could put it like a little bow tie around the neck. These are so cute for Halloween. They would be adorable on a couch or on a bed. And these are for free if you scroll down to the very bottom and click the link at the very bottom of the page. And here is your Crochet Ghost free crochet pattern video tutorial. Next we have Little Ghost by Faye Lyth, Lyth. This is so cute. Look at the little acorn hat. Look at the little smile. And then here are two more with little bows. That would be really quick to make. These would be great craft show projects too. And this pattern is available for free if you click the link right here at the bottom. And then here we have Ghost Halloween Amigurumi by Stringy Ding Ding. And this is available for free on her blog. And this cute little ghost is holding a pumpkin. And she also has a whole selection of different patterns that you could choose from. And this is available for free if you click the link at the bottom of the listing. And there you go. I hope that you enjoyed looking at these adorable ghost patterns. Make sure that you check out my other free crochet pattern videos for fall right here. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.